Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh. Welcome to e-learning classes. Today, I teach you science topic separating silk from cocoon. In previous classes, I discussed the chapter 3rd, fiber and fabrics. In this chapter, discuss the silk and silkworm. So first thing I explain what is silk. Silk is a fine, strong, soft and shining fiber produced by silkworm in making their cocoons. Silk is a natural fiber obtained from an insect called silk moth. In this figure, you see the produce of silk through the silk moth. That is the first point where male and female moth get together and produce female moth, that is male and female moth, that is female produce the egg on leaf, that is leaf on leaf produce the egg, that is that leaf is name of mulberry, that is mulberry leaf, and that is in our mulberry tree, that is in our inside here, that name is generally shahtut. That leaves on the female are produce the egg, and that eggs are produced to larva, and that larva, so first is many lakhs of eggs are produced by the female moth, and that eggs that is taken on his food, that is through the mulberry leaf, that is mulberry leaf, that is mulberry leaf, that is taken food and produced in the large size, that is say to larva. That larva is produced this type, that is the leaf is cutting, that is take to food, and that larva produce the protein through his mouth and makes the pupa. That protein in sunlight, that is 25 to 30 days, that is makes a strong thread like a steel thread types formation in 8 types ring, that is the generation of 8 types rings of, that is a structure. That structure in the 8 types rings are present, that is the thread. That thread is hardness is like a steel hardness, that is the formation of 8 types, that is the pupa, that is generated by the silk mouth protein. silk mouth is क्या है? silk mouth एक कीड़ा है, वो क्या करता है, उसके जो मदर फादर मेल फीमेल जो होते हैं वो एग प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, वो मलबरी शहतूत जिसको बोलते हैं उसके लीफ पे वो एग प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, दैट इज टू प्रोड्यूस द इंक्रीज द साइज दैट इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लार्वा, और उनके माउथ से जो होता है वो प्रोटीन निकलता है और वो 8 टाइप के स्ट्रक्चर को जनरेट करते हैं। और उसका प्रोटीन जो होता है, प्रोटीन इज दैट इज इनसाइड द सनलाइट, दैट इज द प्रोड्यूस 8 टाइप्स रिंग इनसाइड the larva mouth is present, and that is in the 25 to 30 days in sunlight, that protein is produce a thread that hardness is like steel, और वो thread कैसा होता है, स्टील के एक धागा जितना जितना हार्डनेस होता है उतनी हार्डनेस इसके थ्रेड की होती है, that is say to pupa। फिर then again that is that types of pupa to separate the thread that is developing the mouth, that duration develop the mouth, and that is the adult and fly. So this process separating silk generation from the mouth, and that is the pupa through the, that process pupa through the developing the mouth and adult are flying, that is the inside the separate, that is collect inside, and the boiling in, that is the in the warm water, and separate the thread and collect and dye and produce the different types of silk, that is munga silk, kota silk, that types of silk, and it is used in making of cloth. So different types of cloth are silk sari, mainly silk sari, silk kurta, that's are, it is costly, so developed in many times in ancient our Indian peoples are developed the silk and silk thread and produced to kurta and sari, so that is that separating of silk from cocoon. Okay, thank you.